Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Land Rover Range Rover SV Autobiography Dynamic from LCD models. There's a few layers of plastic film protecting the car and the acrylic case. So here's the car, and on the base there's a metal plate which has the name of the car on it and some licensing information. The car looks really nice in this blue color. The headlights, bumper and the grille are really well detailed, and the Range Rover logo on the bonnet is a decal. The wheels look really nice, and the Land Rover logo on the center cap is a metal sticker. There are also the red brake calipers. Now moving on to the back, the tail lamps look really nice, and the Range Rover logo is a decal just like on the front, but the SV Autobiography logo is a metal sticker. And this is the right side of the car. So moving on to the interior now, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster. The steering wheel, center console and the door cards are really well detailed and you can see all the buttons on it. Showing you the back seats is a bit difficult as the rear glass is tinted and you can't see much through it. The defroster lines on the rear windshield are really well detailed. You can see the dashboard more clearly from the passenger side. This is how the top of the dashboard looks like, and the wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield. This is how the interior looks like through the sunroof. There are chrome inserts in the rearview mirror which reflect really well, but there is silver paint on the IRVM. So here's the car out of its base and it looks really nice. The undercarriage is well detailed and you can see the skid plates under the front bumper. The exhaust mufflers and tips have silver paint on them. Both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.